Welcome back to the channel, fellas. I'm going to show you a lock today from a roundhouse position, and then I'm going to try to go into details why you need the off balance to make this lock work. So when he throw a roundhouse, right into this lock. So what I'm doing with this lock, so when he throw a roundhouse, I can chop this. The hand goes over to switch hands here. When I get him here, I'm pulling him off balance, and it's pull his joint out of his socket, and then I push it back up. That brings the pain. So this is why this works. Roundhouse. Ooh. You hear that? So for those naysayers that say that this doesn't work or joint locks don't work, you have to off balance the person. Some guys, they're going to say, well, what if he retract his hand? He can't, because I'm pulling him off balance. When you throw a punch, you intend to hit something. That's why you can't retract your hand. When you throw a punch, I take his balance. So again, when the roundhouse comes, go around. This is the technique in itself. So this is one of the things that you have to practice a lot. You can be soft about it, or you can be hard about it. Right into the lock. So he can't use his other hand. If he try to use his hand, I bring the pain. So again, when I change hands, this is the technique that you must practice a lot. I'm pulling him off balance. See here, he's off balance. He can't fight from this position. And then when I go back, I'm jerking this up. His bone in his shoulder is out of socket. This is where the pain, you see this pain here? So again, this is what you must rep out. This. From the other side. Of course, if you don't practice and do your 10,000 reps, you will never be able to learn how to do it. So until then, catch you on the next one. If you have questions about what makes locks work and what don't, feel free to ask them in the comment section, and I will be glad to answer them and make another video. So if you want to understand more about balance and taking, you should watch either one of this video about off balancing or this video about chi sao. Catch you on the next one.